Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video from Bird1. Today I'm going to show you how to install EthOS with USB or SSD onto your mining rig. Okay, so first of all, the USB version is pretty darn simple. It's just having a USB stick with about 32 gigabytes. That's plenty enough. And the only thing you need to do is download Rufus. I will put the link in the description below. And you will have to select your USB drive and just select the ISO image down below too. And once you have selected your EthOS ISO file, you can hit start and it will start erasing the USB drive and writing the image onto the USB. After it completed 100%, you can just plug it into your mining rig and it's ready to go. So it's pretty simple. It's gonna launch EthOS within seconds with a simple mining USB, let's say. So when this USB is in any system, it will start running EthOS by itself. And of course, you need to configure it later on too, but that's gonna be for the next video. Okay, so next up, we're gonna show you the SSD option. So for the SSD option, we're gonna need to download HDD raw copy tool. I'm gonna put the link in the description too. What you need to do is just install it onto your computer. It's pretty straightforward on how to do this. Just keep pressing next and on which location you want it. And after installation, you can just open it up. And you'll see on the bottom over here, double click to open file. This is where you need to open up the EthOS file into. So just double click it and go to your EthOS file and just select it and hit open. When you open the file and you're gonna continue on, you will see that I'm gonna get an error on the SSD. So I'm gonna select the SSD on the second option and you're gonna see that I'm gonna have the issue. Why is this issue? Because this SSD is just straight out of the box and it is occupied for some reason. So if you have this problem, I will show you the solution right now. Okay, so the only way to achieve that we're gonna clone the EthOS ISO onto our SSD, we had to put it into our system, into a working computer with Windows. So I added it to my computer, but your computer is gonna be like, hey, I don't know this guy. I want to know him. So what do you need to do? You need to go to computer management, then you have to go to disk management, and you will be asked straight away to add this drive. So what you need to do is just press OK, and it's gonna be adding the drive to your system. Okay, so after it added your system, you just have to right click it and do new simple volume and just keep pressing next. You don't have to do any settings on this. Just go ahead and do it until your card turns blue. Then it's operational and we're done with this step. So hopefully you didn't have this one, but for people that do, here's the solution. So if you were a lucky guy and you installed EthOS from the first time onto your SSD without any trouble, it should look like this, and after the completion, of course, you can just pull it back out of your computer and put it into your mining rig and it will start rebooting into EthOS when you start your system just as a USB drive, as I showed before. So if you still have questions, I would recommend you posting it in the comments or just ask me on Facebook or go to our Discord channel. There's many people on there that can help you out too. It's really growing bigly and a lot of people got help over there. So really check it out. And if you want to buy some mining hardware, I would recommend going to my bird1.com website and check out the builds that we have, the cheap mining rig builds or expensive mining rig builds, just to give you an idea on what you can build. It's really the time to build your mining rig. It's really a thing to do. So hopefully you all enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.